How to make $10,000 by flipping cars. Flipping cars is one of the fastest legal ways to turn small money into big profit. It's simple. You find undervalued cars, make smart improvements, and sell for higher price. With the right plan, even a beginner can make $10,000 in profit within a few months. The key is to focus on the right cars, buy only when the deal makes sense, and take care of the small details that increase value. Start with a realistic goal. Buy 3 to 5 cars that can each bring you $2,000–$3,500 profit. The best cars to flip are older models that still have high demand. Toyota, Honda, Mercedes, BMW, Volkswagen, Ford. People want reliable daily drivers, especially with good fuel economy, low maintenance cost, and clean documents. Avoid luxury cars with expensive repairs unless you know how to fix them cheap. Search for deals everywhere. Facebook Marketplace, OLX, Allegro, Mobile, Decopart auctions, and even local mechanic shops. The best profit comes from motivated sellers, people moving abroad, urgent money needs, or owners who don't know how small issues reduce price. Always check VIN number, service history, engine, suspension, electronics, and gearbox. If you cannot inspect yourself, bring a mechanic. You make money when you buy, not when you sell, and so never rush. Focus on cars with light cosmetic issues. Dirty interior, faded headlights, small scratches, missing service. You can fix these very cheap and increase selling price a lot. Spend a small budget on professional cleaning, detailing, headlight restoration, oil and filters, and a good set of photos. Clean interior can add $500 to $1,000 in value. A car with fresh service makes buyers trust you more. Presentation is the secret weapon. Good advertisement can sell even an average car fast. Write a clear description. Real condition, fuel consumption, maintenance, and new parts. Add 15–25 high-quality photos in daylight. Always include dashboard, seats, wheels, trunk, engine, and any upgrades. Buyers pay more when they feel confidence and see honesty. Negotiation is part of the game. Set your selling price 10–20% higher than your goal so you have space to reduce. Be friendly, polite, and show that the car is ready to drive now. Offer test drive, show receipts, and explain why it's a good deal compared to others online. Fast response, or fast sale. To reach $10,000 profit, repeat the process. Use the income from the first sale to buy the next car. Start small. Maybe a $1,500–$2,500 car that you sell for $3,500–$4,500. Then move into $4,000–$7,000 cars with bigger margin. Each flip builds knowledge, speed, and confidence. Keep track of profit, parts cost, and mistakes. Always reinvest smart. The more you learn what people want, the faster you sell. With discipline and hustle, flipping cars is not just a side job. It can become a serious business. Follow the plan. Good buying, small repairs, perfect marketing. Do this right and $10,000 profit becomes just the beginning.